Hey, mate.
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Hey, Millie.
Yeah.
We're on our way to a separate incident and then we got diverted to Sadie. I remember reading the notes that came down to us and I could feel the adrenaline pumping. It was a 1-year-old choking.
We were super anxious and scared about what was happening because obviously we were watching our 18-month-old, turn blue, and we couldn't get the object out of her throat either.
But then that relief when she vomited it up, okay, she's okay and she's getting the colour back and she's breathing.
Once we did a few assessments with Sadie and checked all her vital signs, I sort of started speaking to Millie. She just looked very scared. And that's when Millie's mum said that she dressed up as a paramedic for her careers day that week at preschool. So we sort of let her sit in the front seat of the ambulance, turned the lights, and her whole demeanour changed when we did that.
Part of Lachlan calming Millie down, he made her a little glove man, so glove, tied it off and drew a face on it, and we called it Phil because he's filled with air.
Lachlan works really, really well with children and able to help calm them down, build a great rapport with them and develops a level of trust.
If it wasn't for Lockie really taking the time and making sure that she was calmed down, then Millie would have still been upset.
It could be a really traumatic experience or memory for all of us, I suppose. It could have been so much worse that night, and yeah, we're really lucky that we had Lachlan and Paul.
That night I was driving back home and just reflecting on the jobs that we did that day, and that job just really stood out to me. I just wanted to make them feel a bit more at ease with the whole situation.
I think I cried actually when I opened the door and there was the bag there with the letter.
To Millie, I hope you do become a paramedic one day. Here are a few things for you to practice with. I hope Sadie is feeling better, from Lachlan.
How cool!
It was just such a nice gesture. That wasn't like Lachlan the paramedic, that was more Lachlan the person.
Yeah. Millie's left that experience genuinely loving the paramedics and excited because that's what she wants to do one day now, and she sees them as heroes.
What was a simple, kind gesture may change a complete outlook on a situation, inspire them, and it doesn't surprise me that Lachlan did something like that.
He went out of his way to show kindness to us as a family, and there's people that come into your life and you remember them, and that's definitely Lachlan and Paul.